Today, I'm breaking down a new method to find Solana Memecoins that could seriously level up your portfolio. Whether you're starting with $50, $100, or even $500, I've got a strategy that's actually worked for me. Now, I know Memecoins can feel like a gamble. Trust me, I've been there. But what if I told you there's a way to play this game without getting wrecked? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to grow your account step by step. First off, let's talk about patience. I know. Meme coins are all about hype, quick pumps, and life-changing gains. But here's the thing. Most of these coins are straight up scams. They're made to take your money and disappear. So if you want to win in this space, you've got to play it smart. That means being patient, doing your research, and not FOMOing into every coin that pops up on your timeline. Trust me, the rewards will come if you stay disciplined. Alright, let's get into the two main strategies I use to grow a small account in the Solana Memecoin space. The first one is the slow and steady grind. This one's all about low-risk, high-reward plays. Instead of YOLOing your entire portfolio into some random meme coin, you focus on established projects with solid momentum. Think of coins with a market cap above $50 million or even $100 million. Here's how it works. Let's say you start with 100. You find a legit project, wait for a dip, and go all in. If the coin pumps 2 times or 3 times, you've now got $200 or $300. Rinse and repeat. The key here is to protect your capital while slowly building it up. Once you've got a bigger account, you can start taking bigger risks. But for now, focus on consistency over moonshots. Now, if you're feeling a little more adventurous, the second strategy is the high-risk, high-reward hustle. It's all about front-running new meme coins before they blow up. Here's the game plan. Use platforms like Bullx or GMGN to find new coins as soon as they launch. Look for coins with a market cap under 100K. These are the ones with the most potential for insane gains. Throw small amounts, like 10 to 20, into multiple coins. The idea is that even if 9 out of 10 coins fail, the one that hits could give you a 20x or even 50x return. This is how people turn small investments into massive gains, $100 into $1,000 or more in just a few days. Let's be real, this strategy is high risk. You've got to be okay with losing some money along the way. That's why I recommend starting small and only using money you can afford to lose. Let me give you some real-life examples to show you how this works. Take the Trump meme coin from a few weeks ago. When it launched, it had a market cap of around $4 billion. If you'd thrown $100 into it during the dip, you could have easily tripled or more in just a few hours. Or look at Memecoin. When it launched, you could have turned 300 into 600 in less than 24 hours. These are the kinds of plays you want to be looking for. Coins with strong momentum and a clear narrative. And the best part? You don't need to be a genius to find them. You just need to be patient and disciplined. Now, here's where things get spicy. I've been testing a new method to find meme coins before they blow up. It's a mix of tools, timing, and a little bit of luck. Here's how it works. Use Bullx to monitor new coins. Look for coins with low market caps, like under $100,000, and high trading volume. Check the team and community. Are they active on Twitter or Telegram? Use on-chain data to see if whales are buying in. By following these steps, you can spot potential gems before they go viral. And if you time it right, you could be looking at some serious gains. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips like this. Remember, trading meme coins is risky, but with the right strategy, you can turn a small account into something much bigger. Start small, stay patient, and always do your research. And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, check out the links in the description for the tools and resources I use. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.